Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 2. Today, we are continuing the chapter 3, Numbers. So, my dears, in this chapter, we learned numbers from 1 to 200 in the previous classes, isn't it? So, today, we are moving to the next topic, and that is numbers and number names from 200 to 400. Representation of 3-digit numbers on the abacus, then before, after and in between numbers. These all topics we will discuss today. So children, first you consider the number 312. How to read this number? 312. 312. So, we can represent the number in hundreds, tens and ones as follows. Look, here this number 312 we can represent as 300s. This each blocks shows 100, that you know, isn't it? So, this is 100, 200, 300. So, 300s and then 110. Look children, here is 110 and then 2 ones, 1, 2, 2 ones. So, 300s, 110 and 2 ones are there in the number 312. Got it? So, we can arrange this number in a place value chart like this. For a 3-digit number, we have to draw a 3-column place value chart, isn't it? And the rightmost column, we can write ones and then tens and then hundreds. So, the number 2 we can write in ones column, number 1 we can write in tens column and number 3 we can write in hundreds column. Okay. So, the number is 312. And how we can write the number name? 312. Got it children? Okay. Now consider another number. It is 235. How to read this number? 235. 235. Okay. We can represent the number in hundreds, tens and ones as follows. Look children, in this number 200s are here. So 1, 2, 200s and 3 tens, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 5 ones are here. Okay. So 200s, 3 tens and 5 ones. Now we can arrange this number in a place value chart like this. That is ones place number is 5. Tens place number is 3 and hundreds place number is 2. And we can read this number as 235. Tell me children, what is the number name? 235. Got it? Now I am going to show you some more numbers and you have to say how many hundreds, tens and ones are there in that number. Okay, are you ready? Alright. So look at these numbers. In this column, the numbers given. Here you have to write the hundreds place digit and here you have to write the number of tens. Here you have to write number of ones. Okay. So the first number 310. 310. So in this number, how many hundreds are here? Yes, 3 hundreds. So you can write 3 in hundreds column. Then how many tens? 110. So you can write 1 in tens column. And then how many ones? 0 ones. So you can write 0 here. Got it children? Now the same way in number 248. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. Very good. 2 write in hundreds column. Then how many tens? 4 tens. You write 4 in tens column. And how many ones? 8 ones. Yes, 8 you can write in ones column. Got it, children? The same way you can write the next one also. 356. How many hundreds? 3 hundreds. How many tens? 5 tens. And how many ones? 6 ones. Got it, children? Okay. Now the next is writing the numbers and number names. Okay, writing the numbers and number names. So children, look at these numbers. 246. Which number is this? 246. Okay. Now next is 389. How to read? 389. Next one. 219. How to read? 219. Then 350. How to read? 350. Next is 201. How to read? 201. Then 400. How to read? 400. Okay, children? Everyone do like this. Now the next is after number. What comes after the given numbers? So here the given number is 234. Children, you remember, you here it is a 3-digit number, but to find out the after number you can check the last 2 digits, that is 34. Which number comes after 34? Yes, that is 35, isn't it? So after 234 the number is 235. Very good. Now next is 399, isn't it? So after 99 it is 100, isn't it? So 1 we can add with the number 3 and it become 400. Okay. So after the 399 the number is 400. After 399 the number is 400. Now after 209, which number comes? 210. Very good. This way you can write. Now the next is what comes before. So this number will be given. This number 300 will be given. You have to find out the before number. Okay. So that is before 300 which number comes? Yes, 299. Very good. Now before 389, 388. Very good. Now before 220, it is 219. Now what comes in between? So 279 and 281. Which number comes between these numbers? You tell me which comes after 79 and before 81. Yes, that is 80, isn't it? So between 279 and 281, the number is 280. Next is 309, 311. Which number comes in between? 310. Very good. Now 347 and 349. Which number comes in between? Yes, 348. Got it, children? Okay. Dear children, we are going to discuss the next topic, and that is representation of numbers on the abacus. Representation of numbers on the abacus. Children, do you know what is abacus? Yeah, abacus is the way of representing the number, isn't it? That is a way of representing number. And we know we can represent a number on place value chart also. So the same way we can represent a number on a abacus also. So there are many types of abacus. That means for a 2-digit number we can use a 2-spike abacus. For a 3-digit number we can use 3-spike abacus. Do you know what is 2-spike abacus and 3-spike abacus? I will show you. Look children, representation of 2-digit numbers on the abacus. Here shown is a 2-spike abacus. Here in this abacus there are 2 spikes. Do you see? 2 spikes and some beads on each spike, isn't it? So here there is only 2 spikes. So it is a 2-spike abacus. And a 2-spike abacus has 2 places, that is 1's place and 10's place. Okay. So here the number is given 45. We know in the number 45 there are 4 10s and 5 1s, isn't it? 4 10s and 5 1s. So we can draw 4 beads on 10's place, 10 spike and 5 beads on 1 spike. Got it children? Okay. And what is the number name? 45. FORTY 45. Got it? Okay. Now representation of 3-digit numbers on the abacus. Here is the 3-digit number is represented on this abacus, and here shown is a 3-spike abacus. This is a 3-spike abacus, and here it has 3 spikes which are having the place values 1s, 10s and 100s, and the number which is given here is 344. It has 3 places, right? So in this number we know it has 3 hundreds, 4 10s and 4 1s, isn't it? 3 hundreds, 4 10s and 4 1s. So 3 spikes, 3 beads you can draw on 100 spike, 4 beads you can draw on 10 spike, and 4 beads you can draw on 1 spike. Got it? And what is the number name? 344. What is the number name? 344. Got it children? Okay, everyone write this also in your notebook. Now my dears, we are moving to some home assignment. What is home assignment? That is your homework. Got it? So this is your home assignment. This one you have to write after these notes in your notebook. Okay, not in the activity book. In your notebook you have to write this home assignments. So the question is, write the number names for the following numbers. Some numbers are given here. So you have to write the number names. Now next homework, what comes in between? So between these numbers, which number comes? That you find out and write. Next is fill in the blanks. Some numbers are given and between the numbers some places are missing. Some numbers are missing. So you find out the number and fill these blanks. Children, so everyone write these all homeworks in your notebook, and the slides where notebook is written at the top bottom side, that slides you have to copy to your maths notebook. Okay, so copy all that notes to your maths notebook and do this homeworks in your maths note. Okay children, so everyone study it all well. We will see you in the next class. Okay, so everyone stay safe and be happy. Thank you.